Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your birthday on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here, and you've set a birthday when you initially signed up for TikTok, but you might have entered in just a random birthday. I do this sometimes. You just enter in a random birthday, but TikTok limits your ability to use the app. If you say that you're under 16 or you're under 18, it'll limit what you can and can't do. So to update your birthday on the app, you can tap the profile icon at the bottom right here, and then at the top right, we'll tap on those three lines and then hit Settings and Privacy. Once we're there, we'll scroll down until we get to Report a Problem and tap on that. And then at the very top right, we'll just tap on that little paper with a pencil, and then we'll tap on it again to be able to leave this feedback and report a problem. Unfortunately, there's no direct way to change your birthday on the TikTok app. You have to report it as a problem. And the nice thing here is that you can see the ability to upload photos. So I highly recommend uploading a copy of your photo ID, driver's license, passport, something like that. Take a photo of it. Take a photo of you holding it next to you and say, "Hey, my birthday actually shows that I'm over 18. Can you help change my birthday on the TikTok app?" And they should get back to you and allow you to update that birthday to the correct birthday. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.